Troops, good morning. Dito ako ngayon sa Prince Supermart. Papakita ko sa inyo different kinds of Unilever Company merge. Breeze. Meron na yung new Breeze with Eco Clean Technology Active Bleach.
Good day, Royalty. Love is in the air. The song of February 2023, Valentine's Day is approaching. Dali na, diri sa Phil's Hypermart Distansya at mag-join sa Pick Your Heart
70
and get a
grams po
chance
siya.
to win a free dinner date when you purchase a minimum of 1,500 as the first 10 lucky customers of the day. Every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Starting February 1 to 14, 2023. Dali na, diri sa Phil's Hypermart. Just present your receipt at customer service vote for
Then, meron din tayong
Thank you and happy shopping.
Breeze antibacterial removes up to 99.9%
Bacteria
of bacteria.
This month of February 2023, Valentine's Day is approaching. Dali na, dito sa Phil's Hypermart Distansya at mag-join. So
60
pick your heart and get a chance
grams
to win a
po
free
siya.
dinner date when you purchase a minimum of 1,500 at the first 10 lucky customers of the day. Every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Starting February 1 to 14,
Meron din tayong
2023.
Breeze buy 6 get 1 free with Eco Clean Technology.
At customer service vote for verification. Thank
Then,
you.
meron din tayong Breeze with Eco Clean Technology Rose Gold Perfume.
Suki, welcome to Prince Hypermart Distansya. Sili nga bulan sa Enero, mag-umpisa sa 26, tas na 23, inaingan nyo naman ka mo na mag-register
66
na
grams
sa
po
inyong
siya.
mobile SIM card bilang pagsunod sa Republic Act 119 add sa telepono or
Yan.
mobile number. Let Prince
Unilever
Hypermart
po yan.
Distansya assist your SIM card registration. Kindly visit customer service booth for verification. Thank you and happy shopping, Kasuki!
Meron din tayong Breeze Eco Clean Technology Rose Gold Perfume.
You're a hardworking individual and have a passion for helping. If you have the right skills and attitude,
66
then
grams
Prince is
po
the
siya.
right place for you. Who knows, this might be the career that you've been waiting for. Be part of our growing family and together we'll serve the underserved. For more
Then, meron din tayong Breeze with Eco Clean Technology Active Bleach 680 grams. Unilever po yan.
Are you a team player, hardworking individual, and have a passion for helping? If you have the right skills and attitude, then Prince is the right place for you.
Meron din tayong 7 Breeze with Powerful Care Technology Active Bleach 700 grams.
For more information, kindly hand in your resume at customer service counter. Thank you. And
Unilever din po yan. Yan. Then, meron din tayong Breeze antibacterial. Removes up to 99.9% bacteria. 630 grams. Meron din tayong big pack. Breeze antibacteria. 1,320 grams. Meron din tayong Breeze with Eco Clean Technology Rose Gold Perfume 630 grams. Unilever din po yan. Yan. Then meron din tayong big pack din ng Breeze with Powerful Care Technology Anti-Bleach 1,410 grams. Unilever din po yan. That's it for Unilever Company merge videos Breeze powder today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect, always rise. Never give up. God bless us all. Always. Thank you.